Eagle, and we are going to make chocolate chip banana bread. First, the ingredients are organic coconut oil, flour, chocolate chips, cane sugar, pure vanilla, baking powder, and coconut oil. First, we got to preheat the oven. 350 degrees. Second, we need to peel and squish the bananas. Okay, so I'm ready. Just put it. Okay, so we peeled 4 bananas, and now we're going to use this smasher thing to mush it up. To double our recipe. And now we're going to make a banana loaf and banana muffins. Now, the next ingredient is 3.5 cups of flour. It looks like a cup. Don't forget to count. It's very important to put the right ingredients in every cup. So we added flour. Now we're going to add 2/3 cup sugar. This is the key ingredients. Perfect, Emi. So, 2/3 cup sugar. Okay, so we added 2/3 sugar. Now you have to get baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So first we'll do baking powder, and we gotta get 4 tablespoons of baking powder and teaspoons of baking powder.
A teaspoon. Yes.
Oh look, our friend joined us.
Oh.
Daddy. Okay, Emi will be.
Amaya, let's just teaspoon.
do you want to help us count?
No, level that out. That's what I mean.
3, 4. So 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Anything you would like to say about that, Fatty? Okay, now 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now a pinch of salt.
Amaya.
Okay, so I would like to welcome back Bagel the Beagle. Come up here, Bagel. Daddy is not here because we accidentally fired him. So now we will, you can add 2/3 of oil of your choice. We're using coconut oil. Okay, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Emi, would you like to hold the teaspoon? Okay, put 1 and 2. And next, we will mix the whole thing together. How does it look so far? Show me. So, we mix this up, and if it's dry like ours, we needed to put half a cup of oat milk or milk in it. And since our coconut oil is a little dry, we put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So now it's all good. And now, don't forget 1/2 cup of orange juice. Okay. Okay, so now mix that up a little bit. Okay, mix that up. And now we'll beat this and put half of the batter in it. We'll put half of the batter here and the other half in the cupcake muffin tins. So mix. I miss my home sweet home and I gave it to. You fired. No? Yes. Good. Okay, so we put half in here and half in here. So now the preheated oven should be good right now. And now we're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour.
Be careful.
It's hot, so to speak. If you want to do the savory, my recommended #1 tip
Just
oven. This is
Why are you letting all the oven air get out?
This is a perfect fireplace.
Amaya, Emi. Careful. Lower, 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 lower.
Here?
Bottom, yep, bottom. Yep.
Okay, that's one. And now we have a little bit more.
All the heat's wasting.
I know. Go back in here.
Lower. Yep.
Very hot. And now the last
Middle.
you have to make sure you put the oil, vegetable oil in it, so it wouldn't stick. It wouldn't stick to the pan. And my number one tip: use gloves when putting it in and taking it out. And don't forget, clean up your area. So next time you do it, it'll be all clean. This is the final product of the banana bread muffin. The banana bread loaf is still in the oven, but we will show that to you later. So now we are going to enjoy this wonderful banana bread muffin. Ready? That was good. Kona! 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 Special thanks to Emi, who played Bagel the Beagle and herself, and she also played Fatty. Okay, also special thanks to Mom, the reporter, and Dad, the photo bomber. Hope you enjoy recipe of chocolate chip banana muffin bread.